This is the trigger mechanism for the crossbow. I modeled it in this software, and I want to unpack it. I've already printed it, so I know it's working. But let me get rid of my picture first. Yeah, that's better. Now I can select the lid, which is this one. Then I can move it. And that is the one part that I print. I printed all of them together, but you have to separate them. Of course, there's a little spring here, diameter 5 millimeter and 13 millimeters long. I can also remove the trigger down a bit, as well as that part. Then I can spin it, and there's the little hole there where the spring fits in, and on the trigger there's the matching hole. And as I said, I've already printed this and it's already in the crossbow. It's actually working well. I thought I would just show you guys.